Hello, and welcome back to this course on the 4S framework, a new and innovative business process management system that was created by an artificial intelligence. In this course, you'll learn what the 4S framework is, how it works, and how you can apply it to your own business or organization. In the previous lecture, we explained the second stage of the 4S framework, Strategize. We showed you how to formulate your vision, mission, goals, and objectives for your business or organization and design the strategies and tactics to achieve them. We also showed you an example of how we applied Strategize to our own business, an AI consultancy that provides AI algorithms based on any logical concept. In this lecture, we'll explain the third stage of the 4S framework, Streamline. We'll show you how to implement your strategies and tactics, optimize your processes and operations, and monitor and measure your performance and results. Streamline is the stage where you execute your plan, improve your efficiency and effectiveness, and deliver value to your customers and stakeholders. This stage is essential because it helps you turn your vision into reality and achieve your goals and objectives. It also helps you identify and eliminate waste and errors. To do Streamline effectively, you need to use various tools and techniques that can help you manage and optimize your processes and operations. Some of the tools and techniques that you can use are Lean Sigma 6. This is a tool that helps you reduce variation, defects, and waste in your processes and operations. You can use a methodology that follows 5 phases: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. You can then use the various tools such as Pareto charts, fishbone diagrams, or control charts to support each phase. Business process reengineering. This is a tool that helps you redesign your processes and operations from scratch to achieve radical improvements in performance. You can use a methodology that follows 4 steps: identify, analyze, design, and implement. You can then use various tools such as process mapping, benchmarking, or simulation to support each step. Key performance indicators. This is a tool that helps you to monitor and measure your performance and results against your goals and objectives. You can use a framework that follows 4 perspectives: input, output, outcome, and impact. You can then use various metrics such as quantity, quality, time, or cost to measure each perspective. These are just some examples of the tools and techniques that you can use to do Streamline effectively. There are many other tools and techniques that you can use depending on your needs and preferences. The important thing is to choose the ones that are relevant and appropriate for your business situation. To help you understand how to use these tools and techniques, we'll show you an example of how we applied them to our own business. Our business is an AI consultancy that provides AI algorithms based on any logical concept. We used Lean Sigma 6, business process reengineering, and key performance indicators to do Streamline for our business. Here are our findings. Lean Six Sigma. We use the DMAIC methodology to reduce variation, defects, and waste in our processes and operations. Define. We defined our problem statement as, how can we reduce the errors in our AI algorithms? We also defined our project scope as the development process of our AI algorithms. Measure. We measured our current performance by collecting data on the number of errors in our AI algorithms. We found that our average error rate was 10%. Analyze. We analyzed the root causes of our errors by using a fishbone diagram. We found that the main causes were human errors, data quality issues, logic flaws, or software bugs. Improve. We improved our processes and operations by implementing solutions such as training our staff, validating our data sources, testing our logic models, and debugging our software code. Control. We controlled our processes and operations by using control charts to monitor our error rate over time. We found that our average error rate decreased to 5% as a result. Business process reengineering. We use the 4 steps methodology to redesign our processes and operations from scratch to achieve radical improvements in performance. Identify. We identified our current processes and operations by using process mapping. We found that our main processes were data collection, data analysis, logic modeling, algorithm development, algorithm testing, algorithm delivery, and algorithm maintenance. Analyze. We analyzed our current processes and operations by using benchmarking. We compared our performance with other AI consultancies in terms of speed, quality, reliability, or customer satisfaction. We found that we had some gaps in some areas, such as speed or reliability. Design. We designed our new processes and operations by using simulation. We experimented with different scenarios and options, such as automating some tasks, outsourcing some tasks, or integrating some tasks. We found that we can improve our performance by automating data collection and analysis, outsourcing logic modeling and algorithm testing, and integrating algorithm development and delivery. Implement. We implemented our new processes and operations by using change management. We communicated our vision and goals, engaged our stakeholders, provided training and support, and monitored and evaluated the results. We found that we were able to achieve our desired outcomes and impacts. Key performance indicators. We use the four perspectives framework to monitor and measure our performance and results against our goals and objectives. Input. We measured the input of our processes and operations by using metrics such as the number of projects, the number of staff, the number of hours, or the amount of budget. We found that we were able to increase our output by 50% in the next year. Output. We measured the output of our processes and operations by using metrics such as the number of algorithms, the number of customers, the number of deliveries, or the amount of revenue. We found that we were able to increase our output by 50% again in the next year. Outcome. We measured the outcome of our processes and operations by using metrics such as the error rate, the customer satisfaction rate, the customer retention rate, and the customer loyalty rate. We found that we were able to improve our outcome by at least 15% in the next year. Impact. We measured the impact of our processes and operations by using metrics such as market share, brand value, social value, or environmental value. We found that we were able to increase our impact by at least 25% in the next year. As you can see, we use these tools and techniques to manage and optimize our processes and operations. We were able to implement our strategies and tactics, improve our efficiency and effectiveness, and deliver value to our customers and our stakeholders. We hope this example helps you understand how to do Streamline effectively for your own business or organization. In the next lecture, we'll explain how to evaluate your outcomes and impacts, review your feedback and learning, and improve your practices and policies in the next stage of the 4S framework, sustain. Thank you for watching this lecture. See you soon.